Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Now trackies, Shericka and Shelly-Ann Price rank in the top 5 in the world for athletics. Yes, World Athletics has released their overall women's ranking and our Jamaicans rank squarely in the top 5. Of course, that's an amazing accomplishment considering how many sports are involved in track and field. Now, with that said, taking, the crown this year so far is Faith Kipyegon from Kenya over the distances 1500 meters, 5000 meters, and of course the mile. And let's not forget, she also shattered, those 3 records, and now she's a record holder in those events, and she has a score of 1525. Second ranked in the world is Femke Bol from the Netherlands over the 400-meter hurdles distance. And of course, her score is 1,473. And of course, Femke Bol has recently become the second fastest athlete over, the distance 400-meter hurdles in history. Now in third ranked comes up, our very own Shericka Jackson. So yes, third ranked in the world is Shericka Jackson, of course, representing Big Bad Jamaica. And of course, her distances are the women's 100 meters and 200 meters. And as you know, she is, the second fastest in history over the 200-meter distance. She has become the 5th fastest in history over the 100 meters, running 10.65 seconds. Her score is 1,465 points. Now, with that said, ranked 4th in the world is Shelly-Ann Price, and of course, she represents Big Bad Jamaica, and her distance is the women's 100 meters, and of course she has a score of 1,464. Now Shelly-Ann Price, of course, ranks number 1 globally over that 100 meters, 5 world titles, and of course 2 Olympic titles. And of course, she settles nicely here in the 4th ranked position in the world trackies. And of course, to round out top 5, we have Gotintam Gebreselassie from Ethiopia over the marathon. And of course, her points standing so far is 1,449. So trackies, let me know your thoughts in the comment section as it relates to the current world ranking. Do you think it's a fair ranking when you look at 1 through 5 and where the Jamaicans fall, in between? Sound off in the comment section below. Moving on, we had Chang representing Jamaica in the men's discus throw at the World University Games, and he placed second. Yes, he won the silver medal representing Jamaica at the World University Games in the discus throw, throwing a season's best 61.82 meters, of course, to take that silver medal position. Now in first place from Poland was Oskar Shinak, and he threw 63 meters for the win. And in third place from Algeria was Asama, and he threw 61.33 meters for a personal best to take the bronze medal. Now track is sound off in the comment section below. Like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in a next one.